Hello, it's Angela Thurman with another tip on how you can make your exams difficult to cheat on. So we don't always need to have some sort of a proctoring system if you make your exams hard enough so that it's hard to cheat. So how do you do that? Well, I'm going to give you an example of something that happened in my department. I had an email from one of my faculty members in biology, and she said that there was a peer-developed course where they were using the same exam. The student had taken photos of the exam and passed them out. Boom, exam is compromised. Immediately, you're going to have to create another exam. So what is the way around this, and what is a way that you can reduce cheating in your online classes? So the way is to create a test pool. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first you're going to go down into your quizzes section, and this is Canvas. So if you don't have Canvas, it's going to work a little different, but it's all pretty much the same. And right now I'm working on exam 1. So I'm going to edit it, but I've already got it set up. So you see I've got it set up. It's for 60 minutes, and I've got so that the questions are scrambled. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in here to questions, and I've already got my pool set up. So for my exam, I want it to pick 40 questions. Each question is worth 2.5 points. All right. So then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go find questions. So you've got to already have your test bank uploaded into your LMS. So I'm going to be looking for chapter 1. So I want to select all, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to say I want them all in this pool, and I created this. So the first time you're going to go create group. So I'm going to create a different pool for exam 2 and so on and so forth. So I'm going to add all of those questions, and I want more questions because I'm also going to I want these reading quiz questions. I'm going to select all those, and I'm going to add those. Every time I'm getting more and more questions. Now I also would like to have chapter 2. I already put chapter 3 in there. So let's do chapter 2, select all, put them in my group, add, and then I'm also going to do the reading quizzes. So reading quiz, select all, put them in my group, add questions. So now I'm going to save them. And when I go back, if I want to edit it, again, I can go back and I can look at the questions, and it says pick 40 questions, 2.5 points a question. It's random. I've got all of these questions from chapters 1 to 3. The chance that 2 students are going to get the same exam questions and or in the same order is virtually impossible. So if there are 2 students taking the exam at the same time, or if one person's on the computer and one person's taking the exam, then the next time it's going to be harder because the questions aren't going to be the same. Is this going to eliminate cheating altogether? No, it isn't. Will it cut down? Yes, it will. So I also advocate a time limit. For 40 questions, I do 60 minutes. And again, you not only do you shuffle the questions, you shuffle the answers. And that is something that you can use to make your test harder to cheat on. So I hope you find this helpful.